Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about the globes and the map. And the first topic or the first thing you have to understand the globe. And here you can see the picture of globe. And most of you have seen globe in your school or in your home or in your neighboring areas. So if you see that our earth can be represented in various forms like globes, maps, pictures and sketches. Through these sketches or through pictures or through globes or through maps, you can represent your earth or our earth. So, because the earth is a huge in size and roughly spherical in shape, so we cannot see the complete earth from any single view. Thus, it is not easy to study the complete earth without a miniature model, because if you see Mumbai and Thane and this Kalyan Bhiwandi area also, it's so huge. It's not possible to study that each and every physical features by going that area. It's never be possible. So if you want to study India's map and if you see that Mumbai, the part of Mumbai, it's so small and it's never be possible that you will go each and everywhere in India and then you will study the physical features of India. It's never be possible. So we need a miniature model through which you can represent the globe or our earth. So the miniature model which is very much suited to the earth, that is globe. Clear? So globe is the miniature model of earth. Of the earth. And all of you have heard the word, I think, 3D. So a globe is also a three-dimensional model of the earth. Clear? And just because of its spherical, and it is depicts its spherical shape, and it is the best representation of the earth, because through model or through sketch or pictures we can't actually represent the actual representation of the earth, but if you see the globe, then it's actually the correct representation of the earth. And you can why it is best, because you can gently rotate the globe to see the complete earth, because you no need to travel the earth, just if you rotate that one, then you see the complete earth. You can also understand its tilt axis, how it rotates on this axis. Clear? So let us see the advantages and the disadvantages or the limitation of the globe. So if you see the advantages of globes, so it gives the most accurate shape of the earth. If you see among maps, there are three other forms also which represented earth. So if you see, irrespective of this three, this is the most accurate shape of the earth. It gives most accurate shape of the earth. It gives a three-dimensional view of the earth. In map, we are not seeing three-dimensional views. It gives a realistic view of all continents and water bodies. Here you can see the continents and the water bodies. So the realistic view, like the water is blue, and then here wherever there is forest, then it is looks green, it looks green. So by this only, where there is a desert, then it's yellow. So it gives or it shows a realistic view, and it is very easy to see and understand the imaginary line of latitudes, longitudes on the globe. Clear? Now what are the limitations or what are the disadvantages of the globe? So it is bulky and difficult to carry around. Hopefully you have seen the globe. It's so huge or big, it's bulky, it's difficult to carry around. Only a part of the earth can be seen at a glance. Only a part of the earth you can see. And a globe cannot be made for small area of the earth. It's never be possible. If you want to represent this much area, then you can't show in the globe, or in details you can't see. And geographical details like land forms and location of small towns cannot be shown properly on a globe because it has limited space. If you will see, there is a town. So if you want to see in details about this town, so it's never be possible. Why it's not possible? Because it is limited. The space is limited. It's not like that if you will open it, then again another globe will open. So the space is limited. For that only, if you want to see the entire earth at a glance, then globe is okay. Otherwise, these are the limitations, that it is bulky, and if you see the entire earth then it's okay, but if you want to know about each and every part or small towns or any small parts in details, then globes is not suitable. Clear? Now next one is map. So what is map? Here you can see the picture of map, and many times you have seen in your book or in other area also map. So what is map? So basically map is a drawing or visual representation of the earth's surface. So here you can see it is a drawing and it shows the visual representation of the earth's surface. Clear? So by visually you can see the earth's surface, and it's showing countries, towns, rivers on a flat surface according to a scale. The surface is flat, like globe, the surface is not so flat, but in map the surface is flat, and in that flat surface it shows the landmass, countries, towns, rivers, everything. Clear? So what is map? Map is a drawing or visual representation which shows the land masses on the earth. Clear? So in maps also there are various advantages. What are the advantages? The first thing you can see that maps provide more information than a globe. If you see, we will talk in details that how does map shows more information than a globe, but if you see map of India, then it gives more detailed informations rather than globe, because in globe India is just the part of the entire world, but in map it shows the in details about each and every parts of India. So it gives more information than a globe, and maps can be easily carried from one place to another place. It's so easy. Many times you have also brought in your school map. You just have to fold it because it's a piece of paper. You just fold it out and you can carry it out. So it's very easy. It can be easily carried out, and map occupies less space and can be preserved easily. As we discussed, maps gives accurate information even for small areas. Like if you want to discuss or if you want to know about in details about Bhiwandi, then you can get accurate information about the small areas in details, that what is the physical features of Bhiwandi, where the agriculture is so developed, what are the things, what are the agricultural crops was grown in Bhiwandi, everything, each and every single details you can get in map. There are many types of maps providing different types of informations. There are various types of maps. Different signs, symbols, colors are used to show a variety of informations. There are various signs are provided in the maps, like if you see schools, then it shows different signs and symbols. If you see sky blue color, that means there is a river. So in that way, different signs and symbols map shows the variety of informations. Like if you see river, then you can see a sky blue color sign. Clear? So you can get, if you see this kind of a sign, that means there is a river. It's if it is sky blue and if it looks like river, then it's river. And if you see temple, then it looks like this. Okay, and similarly the church also, it's temple, and if you give a plus sign above the temple, then it's church. Okay, so in this way, through various signs, symbols, and through various colors, it shows the source, or it provides us a variety of information. Clear? Now, types of maps. Here you can see there are 4 types of map. Clear? The first one is physical map, the second one is political map, third one is thematic map, and the fourth one is topographical map. Clear? So we will discuss in details in our next class. Clear? So today we had discussed about the globe. What is globe? Globe is the miniature model of the earth. It shows the 3D representation or three-dimensional representation of the earth, and we have seen the advantages and limitation or disadvantages of the globe. Then we have seen that what is map, then we have seen the advantages of the map, and then we have seen the types of maps. Clear? So there are 4 types of map: political, physical, thematic and topographical map. Clear? Thank you.